Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your account name, the name that appears on your account when you power on, when you click on settings. So that's the name you want to change. If you inputted the wrong name when installing, I'm going to show you how you can change it. So today I'm going to be showing you. Go to control panel, then click on user accounts. Once you have clicked on user accounts, you want to go to change your account name. So here in your change your account name, you're going to want to write the name that you want to use now. So for example, Carmen PC, click on change name and the name should be changed. So once you've done that, you're gonna want to restart your machine so that the changes can take effect as soon as you restart your machine and log in again. So as you wait for our machine to log in, make sure you subscribe, man. So when it powers on, it should power on, it should power on with the name that you have inputted, Carmen PC. So if you go back to account settings, here on account settings, anything that you can be able to do is add a profile picture, so you can choose from your local. That's how you change your account name in Windows 10 or 11. See you in the next one.